Behind every high-speed automotive welding line and robotic cell, there's an invisible hero working 24/7, a reliable process chiller. Robotic and MFDC welding guns, transformers and rectifiers, automation panels and drives, hydraulic power packs, laser welding systems. In high-precision manufacturing, temperature stability equals quality, uptime, and safety. That's why our chillers are built for continuous operation, harsh shop floor conditions, and zero-compromise performance. Proud to support automation leaders like Automotive BIW and assembly line integrators with rugged, efficient cooling solutions.